Have you ever wondered what makes you, what drives your emotions, your personality, your very essence? It all comes down to a 3-pound organ nestled within your skull, the human brain. This complex network of neurons doesn't just control our physical actions, but it also shapes our thoughts, our feelings, and our behaviors. It's the seat of our consciousness, the command center of our being. But despite its central role in our lives, the brain remains an enigma. It's a labyrinth of mysteries that scientists have been trying to unravel for centuries. We are only just beginning to understand its intricate structure and the immense power it holds. Yet there's so much more to discover. Beyond the realms of known science, the brain hides secrets about our very existence, our past, and perhaps our future. So buckle up as we delve into the intricate labyrinth of the human brain. Prepare to be amazed, intrigued, and perhaps even a little baffled. Our brain is a living testament to our evolutionary journey, and a part of it, known as the lizard brain, harks back to our ancient ancestors. As we delve deeper into the intricacies of the human brain, we encounter this primal part, the lizard brain. This reptilian complex, as it is also known, is responsible for some of our most basic survival instincts, flight or fight. That's the lizard brain at work. But as we've evolved and our societies have become more complex, some of these instincts have turned into stumbling blocks. Take, for example, our pursuit of instant gratification. This drive, which once helped our ancestors seize fleeting opportunities, now often leads us to make hasty decisions, or to overindulge in sweets and treats. In recognizing this, we can better understand and manage these instincts, turning them from hindrances into tools for personal growth. So, the next time you find yourself reaching for that extra slice of cake, remember, it's not you, it's your lizard brain. The brain is a marvel of nature, a complex network of billions of neurons. Yet, there's so much about it that remains beyond our understanding. This vast labyrinth of synaptic connections, which orchestrates our every thought, emotion, and memory, is like an undiscovered frontier, waiting to be explored. Our journey into this mysterious realm is akin to exploring the deepest oceans or the farthest galaxies. Despite significant strides in neuroscience, we are still only scratching the surface. The brain's intricate mechanisms, its capacity for creativity and problem-solving, the very nature of consciousness itself, these remain largely uncharted territories. But this isn't a failing. It's a challenge, an invitation to push the boundaries of our knowledge. As we delve deeper, we realize that every new discovery is a piece of a puzzle, a stepping stone towards understanding the most profound mysteries of existence. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the brain, we are not just learning about an organ, we are learning about ourselves, our essence, our very being.